Chalo, sir. So again, very good evening to everyone. And I hope I'm audible as well as visible. I hope you guys can see me, hear me clearly. And here I am with the first tier 1 mock analysis of this particular season, this particular year. Right? So, first of all, let me ask you this question. Let me begin with this question. How was the mock? How was the mock? I felt the mock was very easy, very standard, like not very difficult. Couple of questions, especially the first question, was a little tricky, but again, most of the questions were very easily doable, right? So, what we are going to do, as always, I am going to kind of give you the solutions as quickly as possible, right? So, that's exactly what we are going to do. So, let's start with the first question, sir. Let us just start with the first question. An isosceles triangle is formed using the two radius in a circle 7 7 at the length of the chord connecting. Okay, this. Okay, so that means the circle looks something like this. The circle looks something like this. So this is, they have given you this something like this. 7 centimeter here, 7 here, and this one is 13. And they are asking what is the area of the circular portion excluding the isosceles triangle. Meaning area of the circle minus area of the triangle. Circle minus triangle, they are asking you that much area. It's very simple. Area of the circle, and there is no pi in the options, so let's just do it. So so pi is 22 by 7 into r square. So radius is given as r, definitely. So 7 square minus, what is the area of this isosceles triangle, sir? Sir, half into base is 13, sir, into this is going to be 7 square minus base by 2, meaning 13 square, 169 divided by 4. Just calculate this. 22 into 7, 154. Minus 1 by 2 into 13 into, sir. This is 49 into 4, 200, 196. 170, 27, sir. Root 27 by 4, sir. By 2, sorry. Extremely sorry. This will be by 2 because of the square root. So this calculation will be a little on the trickier side. We have to approximate. Chalo, theek hai. 13. Let's take this as 5.1. 13, 5, 65. 65 by 4 almost. Slightly more than that. So that means 4, 154. 15, 16. 16.5 almost. So 16, if you cancel 138, around that will be the answer. Sir, there is an option D, 137 point something. Sir, 100% that will be my answer. 100%, you see, that has to be my answer. That's the beauty. You see, once I've seen this root 27 is there, I know my answer cannot be exact. So I've just approximated my way through to the answer. Now, this was a little on the lengthier side. Next one, sir. Please, let's move. Next one. After 7 tests, a student's average is 45. What must be the score in the 8th one to raise the average by 20%? 20% means 1/5 of 45. 1/5 of 45 meaning, sir, 9. So meaning the situation is, sir, 7 tests, the average was 45. Now 8 tests, after the 8th one, the average has increased by plus 9. So average is now 54, sir. Average is now 54. A simple inclusion type concept you can use. So that means in the 8th test, definitely 7 into 9, this much he has scored extra. This much he has scored extra, sir. Than what? Than, sir, the 54, the increased average. Just add this, that's your answer. 54 plus 63. 117 is the answer. Option number D, sir. Option number D is the answer. Yes, very good afternoon, brother. Very good afternoon. It's evening actually. It is actually evening. Right? Chalo, chalo, chalo. Next one. Chitra and Deepak invests in this ratio. After 8 months, Deepak withdraws half the investment. Year-end profit is this. This. Acha. First, figure out profit sharing ratios. For there are two persons, Chitra and Deepak. 5:3. Sir, 5 for Chitra, Deepak is 3, sir. Okay. 8 months. Acha, so total 12. Year end meaning 12 months business. Chitra has not withdrawn anything, 12 months. For Deepak, it will be, sir. After 8 months means his initial amount was there for 8 months. His initial amount was there for 8 months, then half, meaning it will be 1.5 half for the next 4 months. So if you calculate, sir, 4 twos, threes, 15 ratio, 3 twos are 6, 6 and this are 7.5, meaning 2:1. Now, but again, you cannot just say 1,20,000, you just divide in 2:1, because there is a 10% commission that is going on. 10% commission, always remember, commission gets taken beforehand, before the sharing is done. So 1,20,000, 10% meaning 12,000 gone. So we will have 1,08,000 remaining. This will get divided into 2:1. Now, whose share? Chitra. Chitra will get 2 parts out of 3 parts. So 36 threes are 108. So that means Chitra will get 36 twos, meaning 72,000 rupees. Option number B, sir. Done and dusted. Not difficult again. Not very difficult. Anyone having doubts, please feel free to ask. Feel absolutely free to ask, sir. Sir, next one. To do a work, A and B, wage question, sir. This much wage. Sir, efficiency ratio, always remember, if both are working for same time, wage gets distributed according to the efficiency ratio. Sir, what is efficiency ratio? A is to B. Sir, 4 by 3 times meaning, sir, 4:3. Who will get, what is the share of A? A will get 4 parts out of 4 plus 3, 7 parts of 924, sir. So 9, 7 ones are 7, 7 threes are 21, sir, 7 twos are this. Sir, 528 rupees will be the answer. Option number A once again. You see, done and dusted once again. Very, 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 very simple questions. Again, let's move on to the next one. Let's move on. Man's wage reduced by this, increased by this. Sir, use AB theorem, 2 changes. Sir, first reduction means minus 40. Increment means plus 40, plus into minus is minus 40 into 40 by 100. Sir, gone 0, 0, 0, 0. So it is minus 16%, meaning ultimately reduction of 16%. Loss in terms of percentage, 16%, sir. Option A is the correct answer. Option A, most definitely, sir, is the correct answer. Done, 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 done. Next one, sir. Reflection, coordinate geometry. Again, very reflection questions, they don't ask really nowadays. Sir, point is 2 comma minus 3. 2 here, minus 3 here. Somewhere here. Sir, x-axis meaning reflection will be somewhere here. So it will be 2 will remain 2, minus 3 will become plus 3. That's your answer, sir. 2 comma 3, option D is the answer. Option D most definitely is your correct answer, sir. Done, 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 done. Moving on. Sir, what the question is? A chord this much, this. Okay, sir. Sir, chord is 24 centimeter and the radius is 15. Least distance meaning perpendicular distance. Sir, radius 15, chord 24 meaning, sir, this will be half of the chord, meaning 12, sir. So use Pythagorean triplet, this will be 9. Because this is nothing but 3, 4, 5, extension of 3, 4, 5. So option D, 9 will most definitely be your correct answer. Again, 10 seconds, that's all. You don't even need to draw this figure, honestly. So diameter of the circle, central angle is this, arc length. Sir, arc length formula. Arc length is equal to theta by 360, because it is given in degrees. That's why this formula. Otherwise, S equal to r theta we'll use. theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Acha, options has pi in it, so you don't do anything. So 2r meaning I'm writing diameter, because diameter only they are asking. Theta is 36. 36 meaning this is by 10. So diameter will be, an S value is 8. This will go there, 80 divided by pi. That's your answer, sir. 80 by pi, option B is the correct answer. Option B most definitely is your correct answer. Again, couple of lines, all the questions. Done. Moving on, sir. Chalo. Next one. A invests 40,000 initially and 10,000 after 4. Acha, sir, in these situations, you see everything has 3 zeros in it. Acha, 4 zeros in it. 4 you get rid of. Not from the profit. Profit you keep it as it is. Ratio. A and B. Sir, A invested 4 rupees and adds 1 rupee after 4 months, and the business is of whole year. So B invested 5 rupees for total year, meaning 12 months. And what about A? A, this money was there for 4 months plus the next 1 rupee addition, meaning 5 rupees now. For how many months? For the remaining 8 months. So this is the ratio. Again, 4, this is 2, this is 3. 4 and sir 10, that is 14. This is 15, sir. This is the ratio. Total is 29,000 A share. So 29,000 meaning A will get 14,000, B will get 15,000. A share will be, sir, 14,000 rupees. Option number A itself. Option number A itself. Share the mock test question. So this mock is free, brother. You can take this mock. This is absolutely free to take every weekend. Every weekend you guys can take this mock. Okay, this live mock you can take every weekend, brother. So next weekend also you will have the option to take it. Just go into our website. You will get all the details of live mock. In the test section, you will get the details, brother. Okay. Acha, in a circular plot of this, the path of uniform width inside the border is this. Okay. So circular ring it will form. It will form a circular ring like this. It will form a circular ring like this. Okay. Now this area is given as 4466. So 22 by 7 circular ring. R square minus R square. So capital R is given as 105 because it is inside. Circular plot, capital R is, एक second, sir. Just a second. This one, it is 4466. 22. Twos are this. Just a second. I'm thinking calculation. अच्छा चलो देखते हैं सर. 1421. अच्छा 105 square will be 10 into 11. That is 11025. And sir, this is minus 1421. 11025. 1421, sir. This is 4. This is 0. And this is how much, sir? This is 96. 9604. This is 98 square. This is R equal to 98, sir. So that means the width, meaning the initial. So this is 105 and the inner radius is 98. Inner radius is 98. So it will give you, that means what is the width of this path? The width of this path will be 105 minus 98, which is 7 centimeters, sir. Which is 7 centimeter. No, I thought the values might be difficult. Good evening, brother. Good evening. Good evening. Chalo, perfect, sir. Perfect. Makes sense. Calculation was not that difficult. Calculation was not that difficult, sir. Next one. Next one. Next one. Sir, sum of 10,000, first year 1,000. Array, sir, this is 10%. Again, you see the value, this value is so good. Again, if you have solved a few questions, you don't even need to calculate. But again, if you need to calculate, think about this. First year 1000 rupees, second year 1100 rupees, meaning 1000 rupees and 100 rupees. Use tree method actually, I'm thinking. So you see, on 10,000 rupees, we got 1000 rupees here, 1000 rupees every year. But on this 1000 rupees, the interest on interest is 100 rupees. Meaning, can I say 100 rupees is the interest on this 1000 rupees? So rate of interest will be in percentage, you multiply this. So this is 100, double zero, gone, 10 gone, sir. So 10% will be the answer. You can think like this. Also, you can think in this manner. 1000 is the interest on 10,000. That is also 10%. Okay? Every way works. It is actually a very simple question. Achha. Next one, please. A company spends its monthly transport budget this 352. Okay. Fuel cost this, achha, in this situation, sir, 30, 50, 20. 30, 50, 20. Good thing is total is 100. Next month, fuel increased by 20%. 20% meaning 6 rupee increase. 30 to 20% of 30, meaning it becomes 36 rupees. Sir, maintenance cost decreased by 10%, meaning 5 rupee decrement, meaning it is 45 rupees. And what about this? Toll charges increased by 5%. 5% of 20 meaning 1. So it is 21 rupees. So initially, the total was 100 rupees, the total expenditure. Now the total expenditure, sir, for 70, 90, sir, 102 rupees. Sir, increment of 2 rupees on 100, meaning 2% itself. 2 rupees on 100 meaning, sir, 2% itself, option B, 2% increment. That is 100% your correct answer. That is 100% your correct answer. You see, not difficult. It's very, very, very simple. The trick was to take 30, 50, 20. Why I have taken that? Because percentages were giving this away. Ki if I take that, my calculation will become very easy. That's the only thing. Perfect, sir. Perfect, everyone. Array, sir. Easiest question of allegation. Sir, 61 rupee per kg, 89. Mean is, sir, 69. Sir, 89, 69. Sir, use allegation, sir. This is 8 and this is 20. Ratio is 4 5s, 4 2s. 5 is to 2, sir. Answer option C. Option C is your correct answer, you see. No need to write anything. Right? Done, done, done. Next one, please. Cosec square A tan square A. Sir, cosec into tan is a very interesting thing. Sir, cosec square meaning 1 by sine square A into tan square A meaning sine square A by cos square A. Sir, gone. This will become sec square A minus 1. Meaning, sir, sec square A minus 1 meaning, sir, tan square A. That's your answer. Option number A, sir. Option number A, tan square A is your correct answer. Again, very simple. Very, very, very simple, sir. Sir, again, do surds ka calculation. Again, not very difficult, sir. So this is 2ab and this is a square b square. Sir, 2ab if you get rid of, so ab can I say it will be 5 root 3? Sir, a is 5, b is root 3 if I take. See na, a square 5 square, you see, a square 5 square 25, root 3 square 3, 28. A square plus b square is 28, yes sir. Meaning I can write this one as 5 plus root 3 whole square. And square root meaning, sir, that's whole square will cancel. In between there is a minus. Now again, do the same thing. 2ab is 4 root 3, meaning ab is 2 root 3. Sir, a is 2, b is root 3. 2 square 4, 3 root 3 square 3, you see total is 7. So you will see in between there is minus, meaning I can write this is 2 minus 3 whole square and square root cancels. So this will become 5 plus root 3 minus 2 minus minus plus root 3. So 3 plus 2 root 3. Achha, options are given like this. One, root 3 is 1.732. If you don't know, please remember, but at least remember 1.7. So 2 root 3 is going to be 3.4. So this will be 6.4 around that. 6.5 is there in the option. Sir, option B is the answer. You see, not much of calculation is required. But again, you need to be very swift with it. You need to be very, very swift with it. Perfect. Surface area of a sphere. 200 pi. Sir, again, easiest question of the lot. 4 pi r square is 200 pi. Pi cancels, 450 is at this. R is 5 root 2. Option B is the answer. Again, reading the question takes more time than solving. Right? Chalo, done. Next one, please. Acha, sir, how to solve these questions? Sir, I'm showing you two methods. Let's take x is to be subtracted from everything. So 20 minus x by 24 minus x. It is 32 minus x by 40 minus x. Again, this is a pseudo quadratic equation. This is a pseudo quadratic equation. Many people thinks this is a quadratic equation. No, x square term will cancel. But again, sometimes if these values are not so like good, the calculation might be very difficult or very lengthy. It might eat up a lot of your time. So in that case, I will definitely recommend go by options. So this is method number one. I am not doing it like this. I am quite confident you guys can solve it from there. Find the value of x. Right? So what I'm doing? I am doing nothing. I am just using the options to find my answer. Sir, if I take option 1, 4, do this. 20 minus 4, 16 by 24 minus 4, 20. Sir, 32 minus 4, 28. Sir, again, once I got there, I'm saying 28 has a 7 in it. It can never be my answer. Sir, option A cannot be. Take this one. 20 minus 6, 14. Sir, again 7. 32 minus 6 is 26. No, sir. 14 has 7. This has 13. Again, not possible, sir. Let's take 8. 20 minus 8, 12. 24 minus 8 is 16. 32 minus 8, 24. Yes, sir. I guess this is the answer. 40 minus 8, 32, sir. You see, match ho gaya. 12 twos are this, 16 twos are this. That's the answer. So I'll say option C, 8 is my correct answer. 8 is the correct answer, sir. 71. 71. Have we missed 71? Just a second. 71 will go. We'll go. Brother, just give me a second. Just give me a second. We'll go to 71. Next one. A triangle is impossible. Triangles are always in any triangle. In any triangle, sum of two sides has to be greater than the third side. Sir, look at the options. 8, 10. No, sir. 8, 3, 11. Sir, this is my answer. You see, 7 plus 9, 16. 16 is less than 17. This cannot be a triangle. Because sum of any two sides has to be always greater than the third side. This is not satisfying here. So 120% this is my answer. No need to solve. Prajapati, I'm going to 71. Brother, just couple of questions. Couple of questions to go. I cannot zoom. Achha, cheap and best. A kirana shop bought some apples 4 rupees per 4 per rupee. Achha. And equal number 5 per rupee. Okay. Okay. Achha, that means let's take equal number meaning 4 and 5 LCM. He has like bought 20 each. Okay. 20 of this quality, 20 of this quality. Total 40 he has bought. Okay. So CP will be what, sir? CP total 24 per rupee, meaning, sir, 5 rupees here, and 5 per rupee, meaning, sir, 4 here. So CP is 9 rupee. SP will be, sir, 9 for 2 rupee, 1 for 2 by 9 rupee, 40 for this, 80 by 9. This is SP, sir. CPI got, SPI got, percentage profit or loss. Sir, percentage profit slash loss. Sir, you just calculate. Sir, definitely SP is less. In this case, we will have loss. 80 by 9 is less than 9 actually. So in that case, let's do this. 80 by 9 divided by, sir, CP is 9 into 100. If you calculate, this is 1 by 9 nines are 81 into 100. 1 point some percentage. Sir, only, you see, I don't need to do the calculation because there is only one option which is having 1 point some percentage. So definitely that has to be my answer. That has to be my answer. Now again, the key point here was this equal number. That's why we could have taken 20. Clear, everyone? Clear, sir? Moving on. A principal triples itself, meaning, sir, 100% is always your principal, becomes 300%. Meaning interest is how much? Sir, interest is 200%. That happens in how much? In 15 years, sir. Acha, sorry. That happens in 15 years. Okay. Acha. In how many years will it take to 4 times? Acha, 4 times itself, meaning it has to become 400%. Meaning in that case, interest needs to become how much? 300%. So 200% it takes 15 years, 300% it will take how much? 15 into by 2 into 3. So 3 by 2, 1.5, 22.5 years. 22.5 years, option C is the answer, sir. Option C is 100% answer. Again, you see, not difficult, not difficult at all. You see, we have solved 20 questions. Did it take us a long time? Chalo, this question somebody asked us. Chalo dekhte ye kya hai? A merchant bought 2 articles for this. Acha, each, CP same. CP same means question is very easy. One article at loss. Acha, total 16% profit overall. Meaning, think always when CP is same, na, think like this. Total 16% profit, meaning first article 16% profit plus second article 16% profit, meaning total 32% profit. Out of that like article 12% loss, meaning minus 12%. So second article, how much should be the profit so that the resultant is 32? Can I say 32 plus 12? Because in the second article, he has to make 32% loss, like he has to make 32% profit, plus he needs to cover his 12% loss. So total, he has to make 44% profit. Now, CP was 8,500. So his SP will be 8,500 into 144%, meaning 144 by 100. Again, if you try and calculate this, you will be in trouble. Because ये बहुत गंदा calculation है. This calculation looks very bad. You see how to save yourself from these type of calculations. Sir, 144, I know 16 into 9. Meaning it's a multiple of 9, it's a multiple of 16. If you want, 85 is a multiple of 17 as well. I will check for 9 multiple. 4, sir, this is 9 multiple. You see, the sum is divisible by 9. 4 plus 4, 8 plus 1, 9. Sir, 8, 9, this is not a 9 multiple. Not a 9 multiple, not a 9 multiple. So this is my answer. You see, I have avoided my calculation. I have avoided my calculation and I can 100% say this is my answer. Everybody got my point? You see, not every time you need to calculate. No matter how good you are in calculation, no calculation will always save you time. No calculation is always better than some calculation, no matter how fast you are, no matter how fast you can do. Clear, everyone? Moving on. Moving on, sir. Moving on. Dealer this much pays import duty, 5% transport. Meaning, is it successive? Successive hai kya? I don't think so. Total 20% is overhead. This is overhead expenditure over and above the CP. This also gets added to CP. So 20% of 200, meaning 40 rupees. So actual CP becomes 240 rupees. Okay. 400 is the mark price, 10% discount, meaning 40 rupees discount. SP is 360 rupees. So profit is, sir, 120 rupees. 240 CP, 360 SP. So profit percentage will be 120 out of 240. Profit by CP into 100, which is 50%. Hopefully that's the answer, option B. This is a little confusing language. Let me just say this because they have not given us this. Okay. So do you also teach? Definitely, brother. We have to, and you have to learn these tricks. You have to learn tricks. Otherwise, brother, you can't solve all the questions in 10 seconds. You see, let me give you another trick here. Let me give you another trick here. Whenever you see a question like this, sir, take this 110, multiply or kind of factorize this into factors which has difference of 1 among them. So if I write, can I write this is 10 into 11? You see difference between 10 and 11 is 1. So if the sign is plus all around, my answer will always be the bigger factor. 11 is the answer. You see? And if this is minus here instead of plus, then my answer would have been the smaller factor 10. You see? The second ka question tha. Done. Done, 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 done. So that is what I teach in the paid classes now, brother. Got it? Acha. Distance, this. Distance. This is time, this is distance. Acha. And speed. Sir, distance is equal to speed is 32 into time is t minus 4. So 4 8s are this. So 5t plus 1 is equal to 8t minus 32. So 3t is equal to 33. T equal to 11, sir. So t value they are asking, which is nothing but 11. Which is nothing but 11, option number B, sir. Khatam. Again, I guess this is the last question. Last question. Average of the square of first 13 even? Acha. Sir, no direct formula I would ask you guys to remember here because it will itna formula yaad nahi rakh sakte. Sir, even natural numbers meaning sir 2 square, 4 square plus 6 square, squares of them 13 terms like this. So do one thing, take 2 square common. 2 square meaning 4 common. It becomes 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. How many terms? 13 terms will remain as 13 terms. There is a formula for this, which I told you is very, very, very important. N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. This is for the sum. So just put it. So now here n is 13. So just put it. So 13 into 13 plus 1, 14 into 13 2s are 26 plus 1, 27 by 6. Don't do any calculation as of now. So average will be what? This is the sum for 13 numbers. So average will be, I can write my average is going to be, so 4 into 13 into 14 into 27 divided by 6 into, sir, average will be by 13. So just put 13 in the denominator, sir. Gone, sir. Sir, 2 2s are this, 2 3s are this, 3 9s are this. So 18 into 14, sir. Now again, you'll say how to do this calculation. Sir, 16 plus 2, 16 minus 2. 16 square, 256. Minus 2 square, 4. 252 is the answer. Again, sir, done and dusted. Option number B. Option number B is the correct answer. And you see, that concludes our mock for the week. Khatam ho gaya, sir. We are done. Now, before I go, a simple thing I just wanted to discuss with you guys. This is the new feature. Before I go, let's understand this. This is the new feature that all of us has launched here in Oliveboard for your benefit. Okay. What is this? This is the 360-degree study kit, where in all of our courses, if you are a paid student, so again, for revision purposes, you don't need to always make, if you have missed, say, a review, like taking notes and everything. So this is a completely AI powered thing, where you can go during the live class and also after the live class, anytime during your preparation, you can just go and check. For every class, you will have a quick summary of the entire class. You don't need to go through the entire 1 hour, 2 hour long classes for a quick summary. Again, whatever discussion, whatever topics has been discussed in that class, you can get a detailed notes of that. What else you will get? Again, you will get a quiz on those topics. Say let's say you have done profit and loss, you will get a few profit and loss questions on the go, so that you can practice based on whatever topics you have done in that class. Now, flashcards, if you are more innovative, you can use these things to kind of, like you can say, these things, these innovative things keep, like, kind of makes the class engaging, also helps us to remember some few things which are rather boring. And also another thing, so you can save those things in your my notes. You can customize your note section and save whatever you feel is important for your personal liking. And also, if you want, say again, if you want to, like, out of a 1 hour class, you need a particular 10-minute section, one particular small little topic. Again, you don't need to like search. So it's like YouTube, you have everything time coded, time stamped. So you just click on it. Let's say you just need a one topic, you click on it, it will straight away kind of take you to that particular time slot. So that way it will reduce your effort in searching for a topic, and definitely it will help you during your preparation, in revision mainly. Question number 61. Yes, definitely I'll again explain. Ruk jao. Question number 61. Just give me a second. 61, 61, 61, 66, 61. Yes, this one. This one, brother. 61. Chalo, you see, 10,000 rupees. This is principal. On that, we are getting interest, everyone. Please understand. So, first year and second year. First year, you got 1,000 rupees interest. Second year, you got 1,100 rupees interest. What I'm asking, don't write this as 1,100. Rather, you write 1,000 rupees and 100 rupees. Why? Because then tracing back to the source will be easier for you. So 10,000 rupees every year gives you 1,000 rupees of interest. And why this 100 extra? Because this 1,000 rupees again will give you interest. That is the main concept of compound interest, interest on interest. So meaning 100 rupees, can I say, is 1 year's interest for 1,000 rupees. 100 is 1 year's interest for 1,000 rupees. What is the rate of interest? Sir, 100 rupees is 1 year's interest for 1,000 rupees. So just take it to percentage terms. You calculate, you will get 10% as your answer. Perfect. Perfect, sir. That was our mock for this week. So again, thank you so much for joining me. I hope this class helped you. Again, every week I do the same. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, you like the session if you have liked it, and join every week on generally this is done on Mondays. This week Monday was a national holiday. That's why we are doing it today. So again, definitely, like, feel free to join on a regular basis. I guarantee you'll learn something new every day. Thank you. Take care. And if you have loved the class, please do hit the like. And if you have any comments, any feedback, anything at all, feel free to share it in the comment section below. I generally reply from from my personal ID. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye, everyone. Thank you so much.